them a hand, give them a hand. That is the official FIFA World Cup trophy that our amazing Cabinet Secretary of Sports has said he'll make sure it comes here to stay in future and we win it. I have been informed that this is the third time that this great trophy makes a stopover in Kenya. One of the 10 countries chosen in Africa to host it ahead of the World Cup in Russia this coming June. May I assure you that you have landed in a country where soccer excites mad passion and excitement among millions, as it does elsewhere in Latin America, England, Spain, Germany, and Italy.